and welcome to our one-bedroom room tour at Regency, which is in Vincennes, which is just a little bit out of Paris. So this is where you come into the apartment. Then as we travel down the corridor, the first room that we come to is the toilet. So each of these apartments come with a separate toilet and a sink. In between the toilet and the bathroom, you have a nice mirror with a lovely table. You put your keys or something on there. And then in this room here, we have the bathroom. So you've got all the normal things in the bathroom. You've got a lovely vanity mirror here. You've got a hairdryer up here. Got a sink. Got your bin down there. Each of the rooms come with soap and a moisturiser. Here you've got your absolutely massive shower. Each of the rooms come with hair and body gel, so just in case you forget yours, ample towels and a towel rail. So opposite the mirror, you've got the kitchen. Start over in this corner over here. So we have kitchen towel. In each cupboard, you've got some bowls, you've got a teapot, some more cups and mugs. You've got your plates. Down here, you've got a kettle. And then they all come with coffee, tea, sugar. And underneath there you've got all your pots and pans and a colander. Over here you've got your sink. In here you've got the bin, you've got dishwasher tablets and a sponge. I think this must be the dishwasher. Yep, got a hob, an oven, coffee maker, a toaster and a random tray. Up here you've got egg cups, a jug and a measuring jug. And in here you've got all your glasses, normal glasses, wine glasses and champagne flutes. Down here you've got your cutlery, your utensils and your cheese grater or grater for anything you want to grate, a chopping board and an oven glove, which is quite high for me to reach, which has a glass bowl in, put some crisps in there. You've got your microwave, you've got your freezer, that's just got some of our food in, and you've got the fridge. So moving on through the apartment, you've got the living room. So normally this is a sofa, however we do have other people staying with us, so they've kindly made it into a bed for us, which is great. Over in the corner here you have the table and 4 chairs. This apartment can have 4 people in it altogether. You've got a lovely mirror over here. You've got an additional chair here and a table. And over here you've got the TV. Hence a really nicely sized balcony. You've got a table, 1, 2, 3, 4 chairs. And there's also access from the main bedroom. So we went down that way to the living room, but if you come this way, we've got the bedroom. So before I show you the bedroom, I'm just going to show you this little cupboard, which has got the extra towels for the extra guests, and it's somewhere they can store all their clothes. And next door, you've got some hangers, you've got your ironing board and your iron. So moving on into the bedroom, greeted by an absolute massive bed, and either side of the bed you've got your bedside tables, an alarm clock, you've got your remote control for your fan, and you've got your remote control for your television, which is, it's hidden behind the curtains. And here's your TV. I imagine you can bring it out. So then you've got this absolutely massive wardrobe, which has got, looks like an extra duvet, hangers, luggage rack, and then over here you have a safe. And the other side, so then you've got a second wardrobe with hangers and then loads of shelves. And then you've got a nice ginormous mirror this side, and your access onto the balcony. I hope you've enjoyed our 1-bedroom tour at Royal Regency, which is now part of Hilton Vacation Club. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more room tours. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!